We got SORN. Warning, genius at work. Genius at work. What's the for? She came out with a song called Cool. Yeah, I kind of wish she like did a song in Thai. Is that weird? SORN, Cool. Let's check it out. Oh shoot. Okay, cute little dress. Oh damn, she got a CD? They got Jenga. Oh, this is a throwback, huh? She bedazzled her boombox. Wait, let me see those pictures. Oh wow. Oh, look at the babies. Oh, she's such a cute little baby. Is that apple juice? Oh my god. These are like throwbacks. Oh, Tamagotchi. What the hell did they say? Oh, it says busy day. Bro, I thought it said bussy day. I was like, oh, it's like a retro room. She's making a retro crush song. Oh my god, that computer. Boys. A Ken. Are you talking to Ken? Ryan Gosling? Oh, the Cool book. Are you crushing? Bro, sometimes like when you're crushing in somebody and you just want them to like just notice you and just talk to me, bro, like it's kind of hard to make that initial like first step. Oh. Okay, rapper. Oh, that was kind of a cool shot. Boy, you making me love blonde. Damn, you bold as hell for saying that. Damn, look at the 187 Damn. 187 messages, SORN. Oh, she got. Oh, is that Clueless, the movie? Oh, is that Rihanna Curve Girl? Dear SORN, girl, you're right. Oh, that's the lyrics. This got a vibe. I like this. Got me vibing. Cool. Crazy, stupid lovers, bro. Is this theme like this whole like theme is like stupid in love type of deal and feel. I just watched like another video about like me at 3 a.m. thinking I'm an idol. What'd you say? Boy, you make me love. Oh, it was red, but not even answered back. Request pending. Maybe like first crush, yeah. Chemistry notes. Oh wait, what's happening? Oh. Wait, what's happening? Oh, she be dreaming. And you're really fresh like. Oh, she Delulu. Hey, you know, everybody been part of the Delulu stage, to be honest. Someone said, sounds stupid, but I ignore my crushes when they're around. I try so hard for them to not know. I've been there. I'm part of that. Like, if I like that person, I ignore them low-key. Like back then in high school, I was like super shy. Super shy. Oh, he answers back. Next chapter, crazy stupid lovers. Oh. Okay, damn, that bedazzled ass phone, girl. Hey, alright, let's go, SORN. Do you, SORN? Get it? This is Max Stupid in Love. I'm here to check out Max Stupid in Love featuring YUNJIN of LE SSERAFIM. People kind of already figured out it was going to be YUNJIN. Low-key, I kind of knew already, because shout out to Cody Deer, who does the sax with Max. He plays the sax. He kills it each time. Shout out to Cody Deer. You'll hear his sax, bro. This is created by Puik? I do want to say your name right. So Puik. You did the animation, I think, in the subtitling. So this is like a lyric video. I don't know if there's an actual music video happening, but Max featuring YUNJIN. I already listened to this. It's beautiful. I feel like it's perfect for like Valentine's Day. But at the same time, if you don't have a Valentine's, it's just a cute song in general. It's a cute song in general. All right, let's without further ado, let's check this out.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There's something about your eyes.
Oh, thank you.
Tell me this feeling's mutual.
Mutual.
These feelings are so hard to fight.
Where we find it.
Maybe, but
I feel like Max always has some like. I feel like a lot of his songs, like at least most of his discography, is freaking fire, and you guys need to check him out. Vegas. Hey. Too much. Too. I'm still in love with you. This is cute. This is cute. Stupid in love with you. And it's like very big band, like hype. Oh. All day? Oh. The animation's so fire, by the way. Damn. It's too soon for vows. Let's get not too much. Hey, I'm so stupid in love. One way. Share my last name with you, girl. Hey, this needs a JRE feature. I'm so stupid in love. Hey, STOPID, JRE. No, let me stop. Hey, it is cute because he makes these songs for his wife, and it's so adorable. Married in Vegas. A piano too. And if you ever see him live, it's always a good time. I'm so stupid in love. Paris only one way. Hey. Oh, this is cute. I'm so stupid in love. Get that sax, Cody! Bro, Cody with the saxophone. And I love that Max always has a saxophone like in his music too, like in most of his stuff. Let me hear that. Let me hear that, Cody. Let me hear that. I love the saxophone. You and Hedgen should do a cover. You could. I can't sing. I'm so stupid in love. Woo! To be honest, we could do a dance. We could do a cover. This is cute. Guys, go check out Max Stupid in Love. YUNJIN from LE SSERAFIM. Cody Deer on the sax, bro. Always a good time. Hey, man, listen, this is a challenge to Cody Deer. I will beat your ass in Mario Kart. I swear to God. And Max, you could get the smoke, too, if you want. YUNJIN, too. If you want that smoke from... Listen, me and Cody be talking. me and Cody be talking. I'm letting you know. Anyways, you guys can check it out, too. And, yeah. You know, sometimes you just be in stupid love. What? I mean, stupid... You know, sometimes you be stupid in love. Okay.
Hey, better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school.